This is the May 2018 paper. I've done question 4A and I have shared that on the group with you. So now I'm going to start with question 4B, which has a little bit of tab stop in it. So let's go to the instructions. So let's first start with the manuscript signs. This manuscript sign is 3,81 centimeters and 1,5 inches. This is to insert a left margin. Now, we only work with centimeters. So let's start with the instructions. So I will go to layout, margins, custom margins, and change my left margin to 3,81 centimeters. Remember, we're working with commas. I click on OK. The second instruction is we need to insert student personalities. So I'll press enter once, twice, as per the instruction with your line spacing. I'll type in student personalities, and this needs to be 16 point, should be uppercase, should be bold, and should be centered. The second instruction is SP. If you have a look at your manuscript signs, SP stands for spelling, and we can see that the spelling is incorrect. As I mentioned the previous instruction, you type what you see. So personalities was typed in incorrectly, and it's supposed to be that way. And right mouse button click, and personalities we changed. We correct that. They're saying the first paragraph should be DS. DS stands for double line spacing. I click on home, paragraph, line spacing, not single but double line spacing, and I click on OK. The second paragraph, they are saying it should run on. Educators should have the ability to connect. This should be run on. So after the full stop, I press spacebar once, I press delete on my keyboard, delete again, and it runs onto one paragraph. They are saying in this over here, this should be indented to 2 centimeters, indent left and right. So indent left and right margin to 2 centimeters. Remember, we only work with centimeters. So I'll go to paragraphs, and indentation, left margin is 2 centimeters, right margin is 2 centimeters as well. I click on OK. And so now we can see it is 2 centimeters. After this paragraph, I press enter once, enter twice. I'm going to click on backspace so it moves back to my margin on my left hand side over there, and I need to insert the paragraph below. What paragraph? This educator should distinguish, and I should use tab stop. So educators total personalities. No space, just colon, and this should be underlined and bold. Normal underline and bold. Press enter, enter again, and now I should use my tab stop. This is my tab stop. Candidate should set a left tabular stop from the left hand margin at 9 centimeters. We only work with centimeters. Let's go back. So what do? I'm just going to scroll down a bit. I'm going to go to paragraphs. I'm going to go to tabs. I'm going to click on left and then type in 9 centimeters. I'm going to click on set, and I'm going to click on OK. As you can see, personality and number of students is underlined. That underline is just to indicate that it should be in uppercase and bold, those ticks. So I'm going to type in personalities, no bold, personality, tab, and you can see over here it is 9 centimeters, number of students, and this, only the text needs to be uppercase and bold, number of. Personalities should be bold and should be uppercase as well. So after number of students, I'm going to press enter, enter again, and then there should be no bold, it should be shy, tab, 5, enter, mischievous, tab, and they are saying this line spacing should be 1,5, so I'm going to highlight that text, go to paragraph, change it to 1,5 centimeter, at least 1,5 line spacing, click on OK, and that's all the manuscript signs that is listed on the instructions. We should retrieve the document college change question 4A in the header to question 4B. That is part of the other instructions, the numbered instructions. So I am going to change A to B. Edit the document according to the instructions below, which is the manuscript signs. I've done that. Change the left hand margin to 1,5 inches or 3,81 centimeters. I've done that. Text must be left aligned and in single line spacing except where indicated otherwise, and save the document as college 2. So that is basically question 4B.